Whoa. I think my seagull barks. Watch this. Again. Again.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
Are you okay?
That's good.
Oh, it's got a whole sausage. Oh!